Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Shop app. So open up the Shop app and log into your account. So once you are on your app, logged into your account, so what you can just go to your orders page here. So when you get to your orders page here, so if you want to get a refund on a particular order, so what you can do, simply just tap or open up the order that you wish to get a refund. So for example, I've only got one order here, so I'll just use this. Just open it up, and you can either, what you can do, you can either contact the agent, the shop. So if you click on this, for example here, if you click on the contact option, you can simply contact them through email or phone, whatever options it's available, and then request them for a refund. Or else what you can do, you can also, if you click on the three dots here on your top right, and you will see there's an option called report an issue with this order. So you can simply click on it, and this will take you to the issue report page here, where you can simply fill in this form here with your details and whatever issue you have with this order, so that you need a refund, and then submit it, and then just click on submit, and that's it, and you will initiate a refund request that will be processed by the Shop app. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.